Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Curvy Explorer. So all my friends who are a bit curvy and a bit bouncy here and there, finding a perfect swimsuit is very difficult. So this summer in 2025 to 2026, I have been on a bikini hunt. I have tried so many shapes and so many brands and sizes, and I have gone for surfing, kayaking, swimming, and I tried all the shape and sizes which fits a curvy or a heavy booby body perfectly. Let's talk about how you can find your perfect shape and brand in bikinis. So I started going through like one piece swimsuit covering up, and then I always thought about like, oh, when I will have a perfect body to wear a bikini. But you don't need a perfect body, you need a perfect bikini. Everybody is a bikini body, but everybody has a distinct bikini style and shape which you need for to cover up your boobs and your curvy things which can splash out sometime. So let's talk how I choose my perfect shape and size. So I went for size medium and size large. Like you can see, I'm a bit curvy, but there is a trick like for swimsuits, for bikinis, or for any adventurous clothing like a surf suit or these kind of things, you have to go a size smaller, because when you go inside the water it will expand and you will feel that it's getting loose and not in a place, and not need to go for a size smaller than what you usually go. So for myself, if I am a size large, bikinis I generally go for medium, or sometimes like in numbers, if you say, I prefer to go for 12. Sometimes I go for 10 as well. It depends on the real shape, size, and how easily it expands. And you will know, I'll tell you all the tricks to find a best bikini for yourself for this summer. So whenever you go and try the bikinis, try two sizes, one which is your size and one size is smaller than what your size is, to get a perfect fit. When you are inside the trial room and you are trying it on, just do a sit-up, do a chicken walk, or just turn this way that way and see if it is in its place or if it is moving around or you just coming out, so you know. And whenever you are doing a sit-up with a bikini bottom, if it is a tie-up or if it is cheeky bikini bottom or something, you can see if it is covering up whatever it is supposed to cover and showing whatever you want to show everyone else, so you know. So sit up is one way you can find a perfect bikini. Go for a tighter size, which is tight when you are in air, but when you are under the water, it will just smooth out. Need to